Hello friends, myself Rajeshwari Vishwajit Dhotre. I've done my graduation and post-graduation economics from Mumbai. I've completed my B.Ed from Pune University. Currently I'm working with BMCC College Pune and I'm also a visiting faculty to YCMOU. I'm also associated with Cosmos Bank as one of the directors of that bank. I'll be taking paper 4 in Success Mantra Academy and paper 4 which is a combination of part 1 and part 2. Total paper consists of 100 marks. Part 1 constitutes of 60 marks and part 1 is known as business economics and part 2 is known as business and commercial knowledge, which constitutes of 40 marks. In part 1 business economics, which is a complete MCQ format, that is multiple choice questions, so it's quite scoring if you're a little thorough with the subject. Now business economics, the term itself says that applying economics, that is economics theories and concepts, to real life business situations. Here we'll be applying the economic theories and giving logic of mathematics and statistics to the complete business scenario. Now here business economics is also known as managerial economics because it helps the manager to solve the problems that he's facing at managerial level with the help of economic concepts and theories. So this makes it different from what we have learned at 11th and 12th standard. Business economics is very much a practical paper. If you're a little aware of the market developments at local level, country level and global level, I'm very sure you can crack the paper well. Now in this, business economics is basically more of microeconomics to a greater extent, and also we have certain concepts related to macroeconomics. Now in this business economics, we'll have chapters such as Introduction to Business Economics, Theory of Demand and Supply, Elasticity of Demand and Supply. So which we are quite aware of, and how to use this theories that you have learned at 11th and 12th. This paper will teach you. Along with that, we have theory of production, cost, economies of scales, price determination under markets, different market structures like monopolistic competition, oligopoly, perfect competition, etc. And also we'll be learning business ups and downs with the chapter called as business cycles. These business cycles will tell you the in-depth of how business people face when there are ups and downs in the economy. And the latest example that we are facing here is COVID-19 and how it has affected the economies and how this subject can help us in kind of revolving and bringing out the economy from what we can call as depression to a greater extent. Now, and if you're, as I said, every chapter will have proper MCQ questions so that you can basically help you to practice a lot about the subject. It will also help you to know how much is the understanding of a subject and the skills of kind of applying and using for real world situations. This is about paper 1. This is about paper 4 part 1. Now I'll talk about part 2 of paper 4, which is business and commercial knowledge, which is for 40 marks. Now here in this paper, we will be closely kind of associated with the concept terminologies of business economics rather than what business companies, business firms are using. And these terminologies are related to what? Finance, marketing, banking, etc. Now basically this is a very interesting subject, very much used in today's world, real world situation. Now here what we have to do to get full marks in this subject, we have to at least read one financial newspaper every day, one business magazine, and also kind of listen to the business channel every day. This will make you aware regarding the latest and the recent developments that are happening in the economy, in the business world, etc. Also in this, we will come to know, in this paper, we'll come to know the role of RBI, SEBI, CCI in the real business situations. And also how 1991 new economic policy paved way to LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. So guys, from this subject we really come to know that we are going to be aware about what is happening in our country and around the world. So definitely it's a very interesting subject and it's very important from the point of view of CA students. Now this combination of part 1 and part 2 makes the CA students which is called as financial doctors. So we'll know the in and outs of the working of an economy. So if you take interest, I'm very sure you'll score well. And I just want to share one thing, that recently Honorary Minister of Member of Rajya Sabha and ex-Cabinet Minister of India, that is Mr. Suresh Prabhu sir, had visited our Cosmos Bank. And there we had a meet of all the CA cooperative directors and also reputed CAs of Pune. And there he, being a CA himself, he said it very firmly and happily that CA are the right people to run a successful cooperative bank. So thank you friends for a patient listening, and also you have realized the importance of your course that you selected in your CA foundation and why it is very important to know this subject to be a successful CA in future. Thank you friends for a patient listening.